Okay, today we're going to talk about setting the typography for your web page. There's a lot of important things to think about. For one thing, look at this font right here. It's great for like a title or maybe a logo, and it has a lot of personality, but you wouldn't want to read an entire article with that font. So when you choose a font, you want to choose something a little more traditional that you would see anywhere else in an article. Just think about what you usually see articles written in. Should be pretty obvious. The second thing to think about is contrast. Like here, black on white or white on black, those are the pretty much the highest contrast things you can find, and it's easiest to read text if it contrasts a lot with the background. A good way to check if you're using colors, if your text contrasts enough with its background, such as this pink and blue. They're kind of different colors, so you'd think it would have enough of a difference. If you want to make absolutely sure, you can set it to grayscale, and if that doesn't look clear enough, then you should probably change the colors around a bit. Size also makes a big difference. If everything's just basically the same size, then it all just looks the same. There's no way to tell what the hierarchy of your importance of the content is. It's all just the same thing. Whereas if you use different sizes for different elements, such as this bigger size for your headlines, a medium size for subheadlines, and a smaller size for your article text, you can skim through and see what the important points are, and then only read the smaller bits if you're wanting to. That helps to create hierarchy. Space is also important. It makes things look less jumbled. The only difference between this side and this side is this space added in between. So never underestimate the power of using space in your page. It creates a separation between different sections that wouldn't be as clear without it. Also, there should be enough space in between lines that the text isn't jumbled. When you use these elements, you end up creating a hierarchy that makes your text flow nicely. Also, make sure that you choose a font that's appropriate to your topic. A font like this is generic and professional looking. Some fonts are known as humanistic because they're based on human handwriting. Others look more like traditional type styles or calligraphy. Some fonts have a lot of personality, but they can be hard to read and should be used with discretion, and probably not for large blocks of text. If you want to choose more than one font for your page, you should probably choose two that contrast a lot, such as this top one and one of these. And that'll create a nicer look than if you choose two like these two lines that are only a little bit different. Because if you just look at it, you really can't tell it's different. And when you're reading it, it just kind of makes a confusing look where you're not really sure if there's even a difference in the first place. So, thank you for listening, and good luck.